Hi, first graders. Today you are going to be learning about the life cycle of a frog. So that's what we're going to be reading today. Frogs are amphibians that live near ponds, lakes, and rivers. They spend their lives on land and in water. Frogs grow in stages. The stages of a frog's life cycle are egg, tadpole, and adult. The life cycle begins in spring. A male frog croaks a song. A female chooses him as a mate. The female lays thousands of eggs in the water. The male fertilizes the eggs. The mass of eggs is called spawn. Clear jelly surrounds each egg in the spawn. So you can kind of see it's all like jelly-like, which is kind of cool. A black dot is in the middle of an egg. The dot grows into a tiny curl. The curl becomes a tadpole. The tadpole is ready to hatch. It breaks through the egg and wiggles into the water. So a tadpole breaks through an egg kind of like what a chick does when it's ready to hatch. But a caterpillar, we learned yesterday that it eats the eggshell. So it's interesting to learn how different animals hatch out of their egg, whether they peck at it or they wiggle their way out of it or they even eat the eggshell. The tadpole has a long tail for swimming. It grows gills for breathing underwater. The tadpole grows teeth. It uses the teeth to scrape algae off plants for food. The tadpole grows bigger. It now has lungs instead of gills. It must swim to the surface to breathe air. The tadpole grows two long back legs with webbed feet. The shorter front legs grow inside the tadpole's body. The legs poke through the tadpole's skin when they are fully grown. The tadpole climbs out of the water and hops onto shore. It is now a young frog. So this is a picture of a young frog. As you can see, it still has its tail, but it has its two legs, right? The front and the back. The frog's tail gets shorter and shorter. One day it is gone. The tail has become part of the body. The adult frog has big eyes and a wide mouth. It snaps out its long tongue to catch insects to eat. Thought this was a pretty cool picture. The frog lives mostly on land now. Sometimes it dives into the water to cool off. In a few years, the frog finds a mate. Each egg in their spawn is the start of a new life cycle. The end. So today you learned about the life cycle of a frog. So now you're going to go ahead and complete activity sheet 4, frog life cycle. And then that's it, boys and girls. I will talk to you soon. Have a great spring break.